This big version, I'm gonna do some unboxing on this TRF Racer Junior. This again taped wrapped, not shrink wrapped. This clear cowl, which we're gonna do some painting. Gears and rollers, screws, motors, grease rollers. The MS chassis, heavy, not the MSL light. What do you call this one? Small diameter tires. Hey! Chulit chow, chulit! Small diameter, what do you call this? Knobs. MS chassis parts. The TRF Racer Junior manual. Do not play it with your brother, cause he's gonna punch you in the face. Stickers. Yeah, so many stickers. AR chassis.
Now, American Idol Season 12.
You're locked live on American Idol. Over the past 2 nights, you voted on the girls and the guys, and tonight we find out who you've chosen as your top 10. We're starting with the guys tonight. Remember, nobody knows the
This is Miss Garcia.
Not the audience outside. Only me. Only right now.
For this TRF Racer Junior unboxing.
But who's next? Hearts pound. The next guy into our top 10.
Bye-bye.